what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people. I had to come and share this DIY credit repair software with my YouTube family, okay? Those that are in the work at home lounge, they're already utilizing this. And let me just say, family, this software will literally change your life. If you're a person out there and you don't really know the right words to put into a dispute letter, this software takes all the guessing away for you. Now you can 100% do this yourself. You do not have to utilize this software. It is a free software, but you will be required to pay for your own credit monitoring the same way you would if you were using a credit repair company. Okay, with the credit repair company, you would still have to pay for your own credit monitoring in order for them to work on your credit. But with this, you literally only have to pay for your credit monitoring, sync it to the software, and all of the negative items will populate. You literally click on the negative item, select the reason why you're disputing it, and the software will create the letter for you. All you need to do is print off the letter, take it to the post office, and mail it off. Okay. Now, there have been people in the work. If you're not in the work at home lounge, by the way, what are you waiting on? The link is in the description box to the work at home lounge. Family, you better get over there. And all I'm going to say is get over there in that lounge and you can see for yourself the positive results and all of this. I'm talking about people credit scores have gone from in the 500s to the 700s utilizing this software. Family, literally all you doing is clicking and printing and waiting. Now I'm not doing your credit for you. Okay. This is a DIY software. The only thing that you have to do is so simple. I'm going to leave everything in the description box. Make sure that you watch that walkthrough video before you proceed. Okay. You need to do that before you proceed. Please do not go and not knowing what you're doing, just putting in your name and your email. That is not signing up for this software. You have to link your credit monitoring in order for it to work. Okay. Let me repeat that. You must pay for your credit monitoring in order for the software to work. The software cannot populate your credit reports if you do not sync your credit monitoring. So if you go over there and only enter your first, last name and your email, that is not signing up for the software. You need to link your credit monitoring in order for it to work. Make sure that you watch the video in the description box down below that says watch this before proceeding. Okay, it will show you how to link your credit monitoring to the software. Okay. Literally, like I said, it might take 2 or 3 rounds to get things done. Do not expect things to happen overnight, family. You may get a response from the credit bureau saying that they verified something. However, I have a letter that I have sent out to those that are actively using the software. Not if you just go and enter your name and your email. If you link your credit monitoring and you've sent off your round of letters and you get a response from the credit bureaus saying that they verified some information, I have a method of verification letter that is absolutely bomb. Okay. I've been giving this to family members. I've even given it to a couple of people just in my personal life. And I've also given it to every single person who is actively using this site and has linked their credit monitoring for them to be. Now, you don't send, this is not the first letter you send. You send off all of your regular dispute letters and wait for a response. And after you get something that's saying that something was verified, this is when you send off this letter. Okay. But almost everyone who has sent off this letter has gotten the majority of the things that they were disputing removed. Now it's not 100% guaranteed because nothing is 100% guaranteed. However, I'm telling you, if you're persistent, family, you have to be consistent with this. Don't think that you're going to do this just one time and you're going to come back with an 800 credit score. Not going to happen. Okay. But people who have been utilizing this software have gone, some of them have gone from the 500s to the 700s, okay, in like 2-3 months. I'm telling you, this is a great software. Now, yes, you can 100% do this yourself. You don't have to utilize this software. You can just create you some dispute letters and mail them off to the credit bureaus. But some people like the simplicity of a click and a print, okay? You literally just gonna click it. The software will write the letter for you. All you're going to do is print it off and take it to the post office and mail it off and wait on a response, okay? All of the information is in the description box down below. Make sure, family, I have to put emphasis on this because I know that there are going to be some people who go over there, just enter in their first, last name and their email address and think they're using the software. No, you have to pay for your credit monitoring, okay? Then link your credit monitoring to the software, and that is when the letters will populate for you. Make sure you watch the video that says watch this before you proceed in order to get a understanding of the walkthrough of how to use the software, okay? If for whatever reason you do all of these things after you connect your credit monitoring, then and only then should you be contacting support. The contact support option is in your dashboard, okay? After you go to log in, and if you're having some type of issue with connecting your credit monitoring, you can go ahead and click contact support, and the technical support team will assist you in connecting your credit monitoring. But make sure that you're watching that video that explains to you how to do this, okay? Make sure that you're on the creditscoreplug.com website logging in, not the credit monitoring site, okay? We're not talking about Credit Stripe, Credit Streak, neither one of those. We're talking about make sure that you're on the Credit Score Plug website logging in order to connect your credit monitoring, okay? If you have to watch that video 50 times, watch it because it explains exactly how to utilize the system. Click, print, mail it off, wait on a response. Like I said, email me at DIYcreditrepairsoftware@gmail.com. I will leave this in the description box down below. If you want that method of verification letter, it's free. Okay, I'm going to send it to you for free. But the only people that I will be sending it to are the people who are actively using the software. Please do not email me for this letter if you are not signed up for credit monitoring, okay? I have everyone who is actively signed up in my dashboard. So once you give me your email, in order for me to verify whether or not you're actually actively using the software, I'm going to put in your email. And if I don't see your name, I'll know that you're not using the software. So please, I'm going to beg of you, do not waste my time or yours because if you send me an email and you know that you didn't sign up for the credit monitoring, you are not actively using the software. And of course, you're not going to receive any letters. Okay. Everything is in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out. Also, come over and join that Work at Home Lounge family. If you're looking for any type of work at home related jobs or anything, all of those links are in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.